Hey guys, welcome back to Holistic. This is your host Anirudh, and thank you for the response that you guys showed over my previous video. And that's something that's motivated me to put out the second video. And this is gonna keep motivating me to put more videos out there with respect to tech. This is not just a gadgets review. This is initially starting off with a gadgets review, but I'll go ahead and post more and more information in the tech area. I'll be talking more about different things in tech, not just the gadgets. So this is just a starting point. And again, in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the contents of the box that you see right in front of you. It's sitting between my Mac and the external monitor. That's the Boat branded box. It's nothing but the Boat Bluetooth speakers. It's a 5-watt mono speaker that I have, and in this video we're going to be reviewing the contents of this nifty little box. So without further ado, let's get started. So upon opening the box contents, you get to see the speaker itself. You get a 3.5mm jack to 3.5mm jack connector, and you also get the micro USB charging cable. So these are the box content, and there are some regular leaflets which we never bothered to see, so I have just left it back in the box itself. So let's take a look at the speaker. So this is the speaker, and right off the bat you can see 4 accented buttons in the front, the volume buttons, then you have the play pause button, and you have the power on off button. And these are pretty rugged and they pop out, and it kind of feels like a 3D printed button, and it does appear to be that way and feel as well. So these are pretty tactile buttons. On the left of the speaker you do not see anything here, but this is where the speaker is actually located, and this is the portion from where it actually fires. And on the bottom you have some Boat branding here. It says that Boat model number as Grenade RTL and output power at 5 watts. And opening up this flap, you see the connection ports here. So you get the micro SD card slot, the aux cable connector, and the micro USB charging cable point. So that's pretty much it on the bottom. On the top you don't get anything here but except the sling rope with the Boat branding. So that's pretty much it for the speaker. So that's a pretty tiny speaker. It's a 5-watt speaker, so you can't expect much, and it sounds pretty nice. So I'm going to play back some sound over here. It's some non-copyrighted sound to show you how this actually works out, and you can judge the sound quality for yourself. So let me just power on the speaker.
Power on. You've plugged into Nirvana. Your device is ready to pair. You're now connected to Boatstone.
Fantastic. So we have now connected to the speaker with my MacBook. So I'm going to play some non-copyrighted sound so that you can judge the sound quality for yourself. So let me just pull up an audio, and here we go. So that was the sound output via this speaker, and this blue LED light indicates that it's connected and paired. So once it's blinking, it's in the pairing mode. Once it stopped blinking, it means that's connected or paired to one of the devices that you have. So that's the thing here. And as you can see, the sound output via this is pretty loud for a mono speaker. It's pretty audible, and but considering the quality, I would not say it's pretty great as a JBL, but it still serves the purpose for the price it's being sold at. I'll come to the price in the end of the video. And this 3.5mm jack to jack connector. So this is a pretty useful nifty add-on that they have put in this box. So this basically helps you connect the speaker as an external regular speaker instead of a Bluetooth speaker. So you just plug this jack into one of the sockets that I mentioned on the speaker at the bottom, and the other jack goes into 3.5mm slot on your laptop or your phone or anything that you have in which you want to play the music, and this particular speaker will double as an external speaker. So that's a pretty handy feature, and it's pretty useful when you run out of battery to play something via Bluetooth. So that's a pretty nice add-on board. Hats off to that. Apart from this, The speaker gives you around roughly 5 to 5.5 hours of battery life. That's pretty much you get out of this one. Although it's advertised as 7 hours, you never usually get the same battery life that's usually advertised on the box. So that's pretty much you get. And considering the price point, now I'll come to the price. The price is around 1,399 on both Amazon and Flipkart. And for this price, this is a very good quality speaker. You have higher end variants from JBL for around 1,799, 1,999 stuff. The JBL Go 2, for example, retails at a slightly higher price than this one, but it offers a better sound quality. But this offers a pretty loud sound. At the same time, this small nifty add-on I told you, right? So this is a pretty useful feature for anyone because this can simply double up as a normal speaker as well. So that's something that I personally like. And if you are also someone who wishes to have such a nifty feature and you feel that this is going to be useful for you, you can go ahead and buy this one from both Amazon and Flipkart. I'll leave the links in the description below. So that's it for this review. If you like this, please hit the like button, subscribe to see more videos like this, and I'll see you guys in the next one.